Hello, Volkswagen lovers. My name's Anne. My partner and I have owned this 1987 Volkswagen Vanagon for 10 years. We bought it from this man named Robert Hudson 10 years ago. He had done the interior conversion in the late 90s. It's a Country Homes camper with a Volkswagen Vanagon 1987. This vehicle is an automatic. It has 199,000 miles on it. It's 30 years old. We have customized the entire van. It has a full camper interior. Let me walk around the vehicle. I'll show you some of the interior options that come with this car, this van. We are including the slats. These go to the pop-up top. I'm going to show you how to open the pop-up top. Now, make sure you're not driving with this pop-up top on, because you'll lose it. This is only for camping. As you can see, we have an upstairs and a downstairs. You can also open up these vents. There's lovely screens. We also have full curtains all the way around for privacy. There's also a front curtain that you can put up for complete privacy. This is a full kitchen, stove, fridge, sink, cabinets. We also have a rear heater that runs out of the propane. There's a propane tank under the vehicle. Your thermostat is here. This is the sign that says it was built for the Hudsons. That would be the Country Homes camper package. Now, the beauty of the Country Homes camper package, I know it's not a Westfalia, but with Country Homes, you can actually sleep 2 people. This folds down to a full bed. No cabinetry in the way. So if you're over 5'10", both of you, you can sleep down here. You don't have to sleep up here where you put the kids. All right. This comes out, slides out, sort of. This is a table. Slide this out before you bring the bed down. You can put stuff down in here. This is a working sink. There's a water tank that holds quite a bit of water. Everything's working in the kitchen. It's all original from the Country Homes camper. And I'm going to move on. If you'd like to go inside a little bit and check this out. We have 2 marine batteries that are connected to the solar. We also have the Propex heat source. So with the batteries and the solar, you can run the kitchen for 2 to 3 days with one charge up. But if you're getting sun, it's a constant state of charging. Let's see, what else are we going to talk about? Let's go to the back. We also have a bike rack. It holds 2 bikes. It's a Fiamma bike rack. They're really, really good. Now we're going to talk about the mechanics of this vehicle. Because of a tow hitch. We have a new exhaust system just put in, new cat, everything. This van has no frame damage. It's a California car. It's been in California its whole life. All the rust has been taken care of. There's a tiny piece of rust back here we took care of. Surface rust, all been done. No frame rust. Clean as a whistle. We had this vehicle converted, the engine, a few years ago. It's been upgraded to a 2.5 liter Eurovan AAF South African engine. It's a 5-cylinder. Generally speaking, these have 4 cylinders. This is not a Subaru engine. This is a Volkswagen engine. We had it modified to fit. It took 6 months to put this engine in. It's probably the only one in California. Maybe the only one in the country. I'm not sure. There might be another one, but probably not. A lot of other work that we've had done on this vehicle. We've had upgraded braking system put in. That also took many months to do. We have Porsche calipers in the front, Eurovet calipers in the back. The parts have been modified. The brake system took quite a few months to do. It was extremely expensive. Totally worth the money because you can actually stop this heavy machine now. The torque on this is really good. The weight of the vehicle is hard, so because of that we upgraded to a more torque engine. We also upgraded the transmission to match the engine. We have calibrated it for more power. So the brakes, the transmission, the engine are all custom work. There is also a transmission coolant system attached to the transmission that is also custom. And everything's original in the interior. There's been 3 owners of this vehicle in its existence here in California. The Carfax will show you that if you'd like to look at it. Let me see, what else is there? I think most of it is done, and I hope you guys like it. She's for sale on eBay. Any questions? We have all the paperwork. We have all the paperwork on this thing. Everything that was done to her, all by the same mechanic from International Auto in Livermore, California. Thanks for coming.